suspect if I switch it off and on again.
I'm Dusty. My name is Dusty.
Press that button.
Gotta get up to the jet stream. Look, I am more than just a crop duster.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm cool. Eat my dust. Don't look down, don't look down. Hey, I see the finish line.
Yeah, I reckon we can put that back together. Put the top back on, put the wings back on. Can we remember which were the long ones and which were the short ones? I've got 3 screws left over and only 1 hole. So I've missed something. Right, I'll have to watch the video again. Typical. I've spotted where I've missed putting the screws back in there. 2 screws. I've got to take most of it apart again. Right, I won't bother videoing that, but I need to get this bit out so I can put the screws back in down there. Just in case you missed what I meant, these were the 2 that I'd missed out. So I'm cheating a bit, I haven't completely taken it apart, I've got it far enough so I can get them in there. Then we can put it all back together again. Brilliant. Back together. All screws accounted for. So we'll give it a test run. We still don't have radio control, but it will do its demo mode anyway. Yeah, right.
Out of my way, Ripslinger! Look, I am more than just a crop duster.
Yeah, I think you need quite a large area if you're going to play with this. But yeah, okay. I can't get a matching transmitter for it, but it does work in demo mode. So there we go. Dusty. Is that planes 1 or planes 2? I don't know. Anyway. Job done. Bit of a long-winded video that. I'll probably break it up into bits. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.